The program, the Artists at Sea, gives an opportunity for selected artists to work with scientists on board cruises across the world. This cruise that I am on has been amazing. I usually generate a lot of ideas. So one of the 3 projects I'm working on is an embroidery project where I'm using the average eddies collected over a period of a year and incorporating that value into the way I stitch to express what these eddies look like. The next project that I'm working on is a combination of 3D printing and embossing. And so the beauty is in kind of the differences in the light values and the shadow values that you see in the raised surfaces of the paper. And the last project that I'm working on, I've been experimenting with kind of these pseudo skins that mimic the surfaces of some of the specimens that we're bringing in, and see if I can rework some of the opening mechanisms that you see when the polyps retract and when they expand. There's been a wave of scientists and schools that decided that engaging with the artists brings a new perspective. So it's just like having another set of eyes with a different lens. And it doesn't necessarily change the data they have, but what it does potentially do is just ask different questions, both from the artist side and the scientist side.